Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe with only 12,355 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a champion TRIKE kit with mechanical reverse, detachable Harley-Davidson windshield, Harley-Davidson chrome mag front wheel, and a passenger backrest. The Softail Deluxe evokes nostalgia while boasting contemporary power, resulting in a compelling modern classic that is unmistakably Harley-Davidson. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Softail puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 27.2 inch seat height and a stock dry weight of 695 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.